Assalamu alaikum guys. Right, so this is Surah Al-Ahzab, and what I wanted to do was to recite the first four verses for you and then show you how to recite it verse by verse, but also highlight where you might make a mistake as well. So, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I'll read the verse first and then I'll show you. يا أيها النبي اتق الله ولا تطع الكافرين والمنافقين إن الله كان عليما حكيما. Guys, a few things to watch out for. Remember, any pinks, that's your mads. So you're going to make them 5 vowel counts long. Yeah. The second thing to watch out for, I'm not saying this applies to everyone, but see this alif here? This is what we call hamzatul wasl. And it means that whenever you see this, it becomes invisible or unpronounced when you're joining a word like this or any other word onto this word. Alright, so you don't do Ya ayyuha an-nabi. That's wrong. No. It would be Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu. And then same thing, you join it in here. You go nabiyyuttaqi, because that alif is silent when you are joining one word to the next, when that's kind of at the start of a word. So you don't say nabiyyuttaqi, wrong. Nabiyyuttaqi, yeah? And then same thing here again. Taqillah, not taqi Allah or Allah. It's taqillah wa la tuti'il. Now make that ta strong. This is a ta, very strong letter. Tuti'il, and then there's an ayn. Tuti'il kafirin wal munafiqin. غنة إن الله كان عليما حكيما. That's a ha sound. حكيما. Okay? I'm not going to every single mistake, I'm just trying to show you overall. And also watch out for the ayn here. عليما. Okay? So, let me do that again. يا أيها النبي اتق الله ولا تطع الكافرين والمنافقين إن الله كان عليما حكيما. Then next ayah. واتبع ما يوحى إليك من ربك إن الله كان بما تعملون خبيرا. Right, here, just watch out for the ayn. واتبع, yeah, ما يوحى. That's a mad. It's 5 vowel counts. So same as that one over here, yeah? إليك من ربك. Now remember, any letter that's grey, you miss it out. So you don't say min, you say mir, and you join it into the ra. Mir rabbik. Inna Allah. Remember that's ghunna, so you make it long by 2 vowel counts. Inna Allah kana bima ta'maluna khabira. Okay, so just watch out for the ayn here. Anyway, وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا. So وتوكل make the ayn clear. وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا. Okay, and then the final ayah. ما جعل الله لرجل قلبين في جوفه. I'll just do it bit by bit now. So you got جعل, watch out for the ayn. So جعل الله لرجل. Now there's غنة here. لرجل من. So there's actually one غنة here and a second one here. لرجل من قلبين, make the qaf strong, قلبين في جوفه وما جعل أزواجكم اللائي تظاهرون منهن أمهاتكم. So watch out for the عين. جعل أزواجكم اللائي, that's the mad, لائي, 5 vowel counts. تظاهرون منهن غنة, 2 vowel counts, hold it, منهن أمهاتكم, أمهاتكم, another غنة. وما جعل, then عين again, أدعياءكم. Right, here you've got qalqala, that's light blue, it's qalqala, it's an echoey, bouncy sound. أدعي, make sure you make the عين clear. أدعياء, mad, 5 vowel counts. أدعياءكم qalqala again. أبنا, mad, 5 vowel counts. أبناءكم ذلكم قولكم غنة قولكم بأفواهكم والله يقول, make the qaf strong, يقول الحق وهو يهدي السبيل. And apologies if this is a bit long, but I just wanted to show you how you recite the first 4 verses correctly, inshallah.